Good afternoon, this is Clayton Ream with Van Auken Company with your December 31st grain and livestock closing commentary. First off, I'm going to wish everyone a happy new year and hope everyone has a safe and wonderful night here and a long weekend. So to end the week here with grains, it was a fairly quiet day with lightened trade volume and so forth, but not much action. The bean market down about a nickel, wheat market near steady on the day, along with corn down penny to steady on the day throughout the marketplace today. Not a lot of information. Export sales this morning were basically mediocre, nothing really to spark any big increases or decreases as far as price goes, and really all eyes focus remain on India and Russia, winter wheat weather, and along with South America. There is expected moisture to come across some of the dry areas in northern Brazil, but that's going to be yet to be determined if those hits and are enough moisture to kind of offset some of these declining production estimates that we've been seeing as of late. So that's going to be the key focus. And then moving into next week as well, the first thing on, I guess, everyone's mind is going to be that January 12th crop report. So all eyes are going to be kind of on the yield number first off. It leads into the production number to see if USDA kind of goes what they've done here the last few years with these bigger production years where they've actually decreased the corn yield, kind of left the bean yield kind of steady as we've had the August moisture to help finish out those crops to confirm that yield that we've had. So that's going to be the big market mover here. On average, we've had a 22-cent move the last 7 years on corn and nearly 30 to 40-cent move in the soybean market as well. We're going to get winter wheat seeding plantings for the wheat market, so that's going to be the driving force there. But to start next week, we're going to be focused on demand, see kind of how this Mississippi River flooding is kind of occurring. We've got some sharp upticks in basis at the Gulf, which may deter some of our export business that we need to help reach USDA's estimates. Over in the livestock market, fairly quiet day as well. The cattle market near steady to a little bit lower. Feeder cattle market holding actually $1 gain here against the fat cattle board, which is really kind of the one expectation we kind of have in this market, as we got quite a few runs here and now a little bit of profitability. Maybe those sale barns are going to start to pick up here and have some bidding competition with these profit margins slowly working their way back into the cattle complex. The hog market, all eyes remains on the kills. We've been running record large, basically max capacity kills, but we're starting to see signs that those numbers are going to finally starting to tighten up as we've been touching on the last few weeks. So we got that February contract that's holding small gains against the rest of the contracts, and expect to see a lot of the same to start next week with all eyes focused on the slaughter kill rate. Outside markets, you had energies rebound nicely after having a big sell-off yesterday. Stock market down a little bit, dollar a little bit higher, and I guess that's kind of a wrap. So as always, trading in futures and options provides risk and loss and is not suitable for all producers. Have a good new year.